Yeah, that's what my business is all about, combining all of those things into one video. But it's not as easy as clicking a button. But there's so much going into it. There you have sound design, editing, you have the music, shooting this stuff with GoPro, drone, normal camera, and of course using the audio of interviews. Combining that all into one video is what I love to do. Besides making videos, of course, I also love sports and I love to travel around the world. I love seeing new places and also filming them. I have a lot of different experiences, but the last few were being on Sea Shepherd. I was the media person for Sea Shepherd. I made a bunch of cool videos. And after that I traveled to Mexico. And I traveled to Colombia. This is actually filmed in Colombia, so that's pretty cool. And before that I went to South Africa. I made an amazing video about that country. Besides traveling and sports, I also have a passion for wildlife. I love to make videos and photos of animals. They just interest me. And I think we should be a lot more loving to our animals and our environment in general. I love to experience new things. Whenever people come to me, I always hope they'll come from a crazy place. Like, you can put me in a crazy environment. I wouldn't even mind if you would be like, we need to capture how this war is going. And being with these military guys, I wouldn't even mind being in a war for a month to film that, just because I want to experience different things and see how everything goes around the world and share that with the people and share my videos that way. I try to grow every day, get better at what I do. That's where really I differentiate myself from other people. And I know that if I had my own business, I would just keep on growing and keep on getting better every day. And that's what I love about having my own business. Besides also having the contact with the client, being able to talk to them, knowing exactly what they want and trying to help them as much as possible and building that connection is great. Yeah, of course, people can start making videos with me right now. They can schedule a meeting on my website or reach out to me and tell me what they want. And if they don't know what they want, I can help them to look at their business and from a marketing perspective, tell them like, this could be useful for your business, this could be a great opportunity, and we could move forward from having our first meeting. I would love to talk to the people in person. I am Mikavdgun and I love to create videos.
Take off.